Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to disable startup programs with Autoruns step by step. Autoruns is a powerful Microsoft Sysinternals tool that lets you control which programs start automatically with Windows, helping improve boot time and reduce unnecessary background processes. So let's get started. First, open Autoruns on your Windows computer and run it with administrator privileges if prompted. The application will automatically scan your system and display all startup entries from locations such as logon, services, scheduled tasks, and other Windows startup locations. Next, wait for the scan to finish, then click the Logon tab to view programs that launch when you sign into Windows. Depending on the application, you may also find startup items under other tabs, so take a moment to review them carefully. Before making any changes, identify the program you want to disable. Look at the publisher, image path, and description columns to confirm that you've selected the correct item. Avoid disabling Windows system components or software you're unsure about. To disable a startup program, simply clear the checkbox next to its entry. This prevents the program from starting automatically the next time Windows boots, but it doesn't uninstall the application. If you ever need to restore it, just check the box again. After disabling the startup program, restart your computer and sign back in. Verify that Windows starts normally and confirm that the selected program no longer launches automatically. And that's it. You now know how to disable startup programs with Autoruns and optimize your Windows startup safely. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.